Hello, I just want to share in this video how do you actually copy an indicator into the folder, especially CIX indicator, which is not originally MT4. So first thing you do is you go to where you copy down your thing, like this is CIX, okay, and then you just copy them, copy, and then you just go to your MT4 file, open data folder, and then go to MT4 indicator, paste. Okay, CIX. And then next thing you need to do is open the navigator. And then you just go to refresh your navigator, indicator. Go. Once it's refreshed, it should come out. CIX. 2. There you go. And all you need to do is just open a new chart and drag the CIX over. Should be able to get your CIX indicator. Go. That's CIX. Simple. That's it. That's how you copy an indicator and load it in MT4. Thank you.